In this video, I'm going to show you how to use virtual instruments in Reaper. Now, the easiest way to do this is the one I'm going to show you right now. So, the first thing you have to do, you want to add a new track, but you have to add it in the way I'm going to show you. So, go to the track button up top, so this tab, and then from here, you want to click on the Insert Virtual Instrument on a new track. When you click on this, it's going to ask you which one you want. You want to find them under All Plugins and Instruments. If you've installed custom ones, they will be in here, or of course anywhere else if you've installed them somewhere else. Pick the one you want. I'm gonna go with this synth over here, so Synth. I'm gonna click on it and click on add. Now when you do this, you can of course go and change the volume, tuning, attack, etc. I'm just going to leave it like it is by default, but of course you can change it if you want to or desire to. Then go and click on the X button top right when you're happy, and as you can see here, there we go, this is kind of a MIDI channel right now. So all you have to do is hold down your control key and then click and drag, and it's going to create your MIDI audio over here. You could also go to insert and then click on a new MIDI item. It's going to do the same thing. Then you can simply double click on it, and as you can see, there we go, it's going to pop up your digital instrument or the virtual instrument over here, which you can now use. If I click on these buttons, you can hear in the back, there we go, it's actually playing. Of course, you can go up. You can hear, of course, it's the actual instrument and it's the virtual one I can use. If I now go in, for example, do some notes, you could also do that in here as well. You can go and, of course, create whatever you want directly in here, okay? So it's actually super simple and convenient. In my case, this is, of course, that long. I can go ahead and extend this as well, so I'm going to do that right now. And I'm just going to put on some sample audio over here like this, okay? Now I'm going to play this. It's going to be super random, but you'll see it actually works. Okay, you can see it's actually working, and that's how to use the virtual instrument. You can then just go ahead and change different things up here as well. You can go and enable named notes over here. You have event lists, etc. A bunch of different things. You can also go and set different triangle notes, etc. So depending on what you want to achieve, that's what you want to do, okay? Down here you could also go and select a bunch of different things. You could have velocity, pitch, program, etc. And then just click on the X button top right, and you'll see that's going to be on here. If I were to now play it, it's actually going to use that virtual instrument to play audio, okay? So that's the most basic and simple way to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.